Jotije mbalariany pacho ka ochako ng'anyo margi ayanga ka mbalariany Maseno e kaunti ma Kisumu bende okawo thuolono mar chwalo ng'ur mar gin godo kod achiel kuomgi en ng'ur kaluwore gi chudo ma piny owacho chiwe kin mamoko. Ng'anyo makamano kelo kanyakla jotije mag mbalarianyno kaachiel gi jopuonjre kata obedo ni nitiere pogruok mano otende gi ng'anyo makamano e kind jopuonjre mamoko kuomgi ne kwedo ng'anyono. Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka e kaunti ma Kisumu nyakura Mgajwang' mondo ayudie mathoth e kaunti ma Kisumu.
And in the strike, as my chairman has already mentioned, we are striking for the 2021-2025 national CBA. And also, we told the employer that we want all the local CBAs implemented. There are two classes of CBAs. There's the national and the local one. So we want these local issues which are also affecting us also sorted. So other than the national CBA, also the local issues must be addressed before we can resume work. Yes, so to the students, prepare for the long haul. For those who remember, in 2003, we went on strike for over 8 months. I was a first year then, and the government listened. And this time we are also prepared to take how long it will take, we don't care. We want our demands met. You realize this is a university, an institution of higher learning. So if you have people who cannot listen to different divergent opinions, you ask how do they behave? Yes, you cannot threaten people. You've seen the march was peaceful. So it's only somebody who's crazy who will want to provoke us. But we want to tell them, if you provoke us, you will find us. Wasu and Kusu remain behind. We still have a lot to say. And today is just the beginning. No teaching.